If a sewer needs repair work and the plan is not to open it up, then all of the required work has to be done thoroughly and precisely by a remote control system. Our Talpa robot is a flexible and reliable device for such work. Basic jobs like grinding back protruding pipe sockets and rims, removing sediment, and clearing roots that have penetrated into the pipe are all part of this robot's standard repertoire. The camera can pan up and down. The complete robot arm can rotate from the home position by 210 degrees to either side. In terms of vertical movement, the entire robot arm can be raised and lowered. The tool holder's axle is at right angles to the lengthwise axle of the robot arm. It can be rotated a full 360 degrees over and over again. This endless rotation is limited only by the size of the fitted tool and by any lines running to it. This for the Talpa. First, the Piranha, which has a razor-sharp conical milling head made of steel fitted with diamond cutting blade. The Piranha is used for non-mineral substances such as roots, inliner materials and plastic. Then, by contrast, for grinding down mineral substances such as clay and concrete pipes, there's the mushroom head grinder, a domed grinding disc fitted with briquette-shaped industrial diamond. Both grinding attachments, the mushroom head grinder and the Piranha, are available in 2 sizes. The Talpa also uses standard brush attachments. Let's return to watching the Talpa at work. Clearing accumulated sediment. To meet the special, all 3 of the motors have been fitted with a non-return valve, so that even under water, no moisture is able to get in. With their high torque of up to 2 Newton meters at a stall torque of up to 4, the Schwalm air motors generate significant force. Despite their power, they're very energy efficient, a fact reflected in their fairly low wattage. However, it's precisely this that permits a compressed air supply line of modest diameter and thus saves weight. As a result, the robots don't have to drag as much ballast to the place where they're doing their work. The 100-meter-long twin hose, an extendable hose-in-hose system, integrates both the water and compressed air supply lines. Each end of the twinned hose is connected using a Y-shaped connector piece, with which the supply lines are attached and released. The compact nature of this hose-in-hose system is another particularly important detail of the robot's construction. It enables the robots to remain maneuverable even if they have to advance a long way inside a sewer canal. This, however, far from exhausts the wide range of applications for Schwalm's robot technology. Work that goes beyond grinding, brushing, flushing, or maneuvering the liner packer in no way means that Talpa has come to the end of what it can do. Chiseling work, for instance, is a speciality of the heavyweight Talpa FSR 2060. With its own substantial weight of up to 98 kilograms, it fulfills all of the criteria for stability associated with such work. The Talpa FSR 2060 with chisel attachment chiseling away concrete. Just like leaking drainage canals, unsealed pipe unions lead not only to seepage loss, but also the other way round, to a massive influx of rain and groundwater in the drains network. That in turn reduces the efficiency of sewage treatment plants. The blanking plates that Schwalm have developed enable open pipe unions and dormant branches of sewer networks to be hermetically sealed in a controlled manner from the inside. These blanking plates work on a similar principle to that of sealing a thermos. Using a special tool, the robot grasps the blanking plate, positions it within the pipe opening that's to be blocked off, and tightens the blanking plate screws. These photos again show the chisel,